How to use Nolo business formation properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Many entrepreneurs assume that forming a business online is straightforward, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that delay setup, increase costs, or create compliance issues. The first mistake is choosing the wrong business structure. Nolo provides guidance for LLCs, corporations, and sole proprietorships, but beginners who select incorrectly may face higher taxes, liability exposure, or administrative burdens. Research your options carefully. Another common error is skipping state-specific requirements. Formation rules vary by state, and beginners who overlook filings, fees, or annual reports risk penalties or dissolved businesses. Follow all local regulations closely. Many users fail to create an operating agreement or bylaws. Nolo offers templates, but beginners who ignore them may encounter disputes between owners or unclear governance structures. Draft detailed internal documents to avoid conflict. Ignoring IN and tax registrations is another pitfall. Even after forming a business, beginners who skip applying for an employer identification number or registering for state taxes may face delays opening accounts or paying employees. Finally, some assume Nolo handles legal strategy. While it simplifies formation, beginners must still review compliance, liability, and tax considerations. Professional advice is essential for complex situations. To use Nolo business formation properly, choose the right structure, follow state requirements, draft internal documents, obtain necessary registrations, and seek professional guidance when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and your business foundation will be secure, efficient, and ready for growth.